First, place the A3 honeycomb board onto the platform. Next, place the wood piece you want to print and cut onto the printing platform. Note: use tape to secure the wood in place to prevent movement during printing and cutting. Install the front enclosure on the front of the machine. Then attach the rear enclosure to the back. These enclosures help seal the chamber and reduce smoke leakage during operation. If you are not using the Procolored fume purifier, make sure the exhaust hose is vented out of a window, as laser cutting produces smoke and odors. Now import your design into Procolored Studio. Adjust the laser cutting outline first, then resize the UV print design to align with the cutting pattern. Select the design elements for laser cutting. Please note that the UV print layer and laser cutting layer must be selected separately. Click Print to continue. You can preview the design before starting the task. Once everything looks correct, click Print again to begin. After the task starts, the 20-watt laser head will begin cutting. Avoid looking directly at the laser beam for extended periods during operation. Wearing protective equipment is also recommended. Once laser cutting is complete, the print head will move aside and the UV printing process will start automatically. The machine will print directly onto the laser cut wood, based on the settings configured in Procolored Studio. You can monitor the machine status in real time on the display screen. When the UV print indicator lights up, the printing task has been completed. After the job is finished, the platform will automatically slide outward, allowing you to inspect the final printed and cut piece.